My name is Ben, I'm the workshop controller at Porsche Centre Leeds. This is our 2014 restoration car. Myself and a team of 3 key technicians are challenged to restore my third turbo. This is the engine, 33 years old, you wouldn't have guessed it. Every nut and bolt here is completely original. There's things which have been finished, this replated, everything's been vapour blasted. It's had a full complete strip and rebuild. It's probably taken us the best part of 40 to 50 hours to get to this stage. This is our car in its current state.